We will be doing part 8 of chapter 2, Nature of Proposition. To symbolize the propositions, we need to know this table and to identify them also. So propositional connectives used are not, it is false that, it is not true that, it is not the case that, none, never. So the truth functional compound proposition is negative and the logical constant used is curl. Propositional connectives are and, but, yet, while, still, though, although, nevertheless, in spite, moreover, neither nor means not this and not that. So it's a truth functional compound proposition is conjunctive and the symbol used is dot. When we have propositional connectives either or the simply or, and the truth functional compound proposition is disjunctive and the logical constant used is which. Then propositional connectives, if we have if then, in case, unless, that is if not then, or only if, then the truth functional compound proposition is material, implicative or conditional and the logical constant used is horseshoe. Then the propositional connectives when used are if and only if then the truth functional compound proposition will be material equivalent or biconditional and the logical constant used will be triple bar. Here we'll be continuing the exercise. Identify and symbolize the following propositions using symbols given in the brackets. 17th one, Rajesh was never a singer. R. Never is the connective, so it's a negative proposition and the symbolic form is curl R. 18th, he was not allowed to enter the classroom, still he entered it. The main connective is still, so it's a conjunctive proposition. The first conjunct is he was not allowed to enter the classroom. The second conjunct is he entered it. And the first conjunct has not, which is the second connective. So conjunctive proposition and the symbolic form is called A dot E. 19. Though God created man, comma, man created the world. Of connectives are though and comma. Though the word is in the beginning, yet dot with the symbol which we are using should be in between the two propositions. It is a conjunctive proposition. The first conjunct is God created man. The second conjunct is man created the world. The symbolic form is G dot M, conjunctive proposition. 20. If the tune and the composition is good, then the song will be most popular. Here, if then is the main connective. It is a conditional or material implicative statement. The antecedent is the tune and the composition is good. And the consequent is the song will be most popular. Here and is the second connective which is in the antecedent. So the symbolic form will be in the bracket T dot C, outside the bracket horseshoe P. It's a material implicative or conditional proposition. Next, 21st, either she is intelligent and hardworking or she has copied in the examination. Here the main connective is either or. The first component disjunct is she is intelligent and hardworking and the second disjunct is she has copied in the examination. So what will you do here? The first disjunct has the connective and. So the symbolic form will be I dot H, which C, disjunctive proposition. Next, 22nd, if and only if he has good qualifications and is smart, then he can get a job. So if and only if, then is the main connective. The first component is he has good qualifications and is smart. The second component is he can get the job. So it will be biconditional or material equivalent proposition, and the first component has the connective and. So the symbolic form will be Q dot S in the bracket triple bar J. Now we come to the 23rd. Either books are friends or they are a source of knowledge and recreation. So either or is the main connective. The first disjunct is books are friends or they are source of knowledge and recreation. So in the second part you have the connective and. So it will be F wedge in the bracket K dot R. It is a disjunctive proposition. Now we come to the 24th. If rivers are polluted and timely action is not taken, then citizens will suffer. So if and comma is the main connective. Antecedent is rivers are polluted and timely action is not taken. And consequent will be citizens will suffer. So it will be conditional or material implicative statement, and it will be the symbolic form will be P and means P dot T in one bracket horseshoe S. But here again we have a not, so it will have curl T. Timely actions is not taken, so it will be P dot curl T in one bracket horseshoe S. Not is also there. 25th, you will be invited if and only if you are either an American or a Korean. So in the bracket you will have American or Korean. A wedge K triple bar V, and it is biconditional or material equivalent proposition. And we come to 26. So the first component was you will be invited, and the second means actually the first component was you are either an American or a Korean, then you will be invited. So we have written the bracket first and B afterwards. Now 26. If it rains, then either the show will be postponed or cancelled. If then is the main connective. Okay. And the first part is it rains, antecedent. Consequent is either the show will be postponed or cancelled. So in the antecedent we'll have only R, and consequent will be in the bracket P wedge C, and it will be conditional or material implicative proposition. Either or is the second connective, which will be in the bracket. Now we come to the 27th. It is not the case that there is medicine to cure corona. So it is not the case that the whole statement is negated. It's a negative proposition, curl C. Now we'll come to the 28th. Not both Sita and Geeta did their homework. Here not both is the main connective, and the component is Sita and Geeta did their homework. S for Sangeeta did her homework, and G for Geeta did her homework. So it is a negative proposition. Symbolic form will be curl into bracket S dot G, and is the second connective. Now we come to 29. Not both Ram or Krishna were common men. Again here main connective is not both, and the component is Ram or Krishna were common men. Your or is another connective. So it is a negative proposition and the symbolic form will be curl into bracket R wedge K. I come to the 30th. Either she is not clever or she has not studied. Here either or is the main connective. The first disjunct is she is not clever. The second disjunct is she is not she has not studied. Here not you have in the first disjunct as a connective and not in the second disjunct as the connective. So it's a disjunctive proposition and the symbolic form will be curl C wedge curl S. Last, only if there is oxygen in air, then burning can take place. Only if is the main connective, and then and the antecedent will be burning can take place, and the consequent will be there is oxygen in air. There is oxygen in air is the consequent because it is the necessary condition in absence of which the effect will not occur. So it is a conditional proposition and the symbolic form will be be or should or. So we have completed this chapter. Thank you.